Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble the Concept 2 Skierg. So I got the Skierg version, which includes the platform that you see here, and as well as the Skierg itself. So when you first receive it, you should be receiving two boxes. The first box has the platform, which you see right over there. And then the second box actually contains the Skierg. So it's not a lot of pieces. The first thing that you want to do is that you want to take the big Skierg out, and you want to grab these two pieces here. And then you're going to align it so that the long pieces basically just overlap the holes that you see here. So there's going to be one, see how these two holes here align there? It's going to be the same thing with this piece here. That's going to align there. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now as soon as I find those screws. So the screws that I'm using are just these 4 screws here. And then it also includes a screwdriver. So let's go ahead and screw those portions in. Keep in mind that when you're facing the Skierg, I believe the one with the logo is going to be the right piece, but let me actually check. Okay, they actually both have the Concept 2 logo on it, so I guess it doesn't matter which side goes which. Let's go ahead and assemble this portion. So this is what it looks like with the right portion installed. It's right because that's technically the bottom and this is the top. So if I'm looking at it from this point of view, this is going to be the right side. But 2 screw holes in. My suggestion is that keep some padding on both the left and right side of the Skierg, just because in case it tilts over and falls over, you don't want it to break. But let's go ahead and screw in the left portion on this side here. Okay, now with both portions screwed in, this is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and move on to the next step. Okay, next we're going to grab another 4 screws of the same kind. And then how it's going to work is I like to use the monitor as my orientation. So the monitor is the front of the Skierg, right? So if you follow it up along, you next want to go ahead and twist the handle portions so that this portion here aligns forward on the same orientation as the monitor. So this is what it's going to look like. And so in my case, I did have to kind of twist these around. So it was originally like this, which does look right, but the handles are actually backwards if you see it like right over there. So just make sure that the handles are forward. And the way to tell that is simply just by using the swivel and orienting it with the monitor, and also make sure that this doesn't cross over so much. But now let's go ahead and screw these 2 holes here, and as well as these 2 holes here. So how it's going to orient is that it looks like this. So you're actually going to pull it up and it's going to slide in between this wedge here. Same thing on this side. So as you can see, it looks like this. Okay. So I basically inserted it from the top and then pushed it down, and then the screw holes are going to be inserted here. See, so the Skierg just fell, but good thing I had a box laid over there so that it didn't kind of touch the floor. So good to have cushioning, but I guess this helps me because I can now see the screw holes here, which I'm going to screw in now. So this is what it looks like now with 2 screws on each side of the Skierg, as well as the front portion. The next thing that we're going to do is that we're going to flip this over, and then we're going to grab another 4 screws and then screw the back portion opposite of this side here. So either flip it over or go ahead and stand it up. So I have this standing up, and then you're just going to go ahead and screw the next 4 screws here. So same exact screws, just forward over here. The next thing that you want to do is that you want to pull these white straws out. So go ahead and pull these out. There you go. Next, you're going to flip over the backboard top. You're going to find this plate here. So this plate is actually found in the main Skierg bag. And then you're going to grab 4 of these screws that looks like this. And the orientation is that it's going to have this washer here. And then this is going to screw into the bottom of this onto the backboard top. So it's going to be positioned like that. So these 4 holes are going to align with those 4 holes there. And it's going to go screw, washer, metal piece, and then the actual backboard top. So let's screw that in. So this actually doesn't screw in. It actually just serves, you just insert it like this while it's upside down. And then we're going to flip it over and we're going to screw it in from the top. So we'll actually, I guess, eyeball it kind of. So this is what it looks like actually, in which I just placed it on its side. I pushed this screw in, and then I screwed in this screw from the other side here. That looks like that. So basically, it's the same as that screw there on the back, but then you're screwing in this screw from the front. Okay, so now that we have this plate here set up, we're going to stand the Skierg and screw in 4 screws on the back side here. So the 4 screws are going to be these 4 screws here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's going to be inserted in the back 4 slots here. So I actually made a mistake. So with the Skierg that you see here, you're actually supposed to remove the two fasteners that are already screwed into the Skierg itself, and then place the Skierg behind the plate, and then add an extra two fasteners to the top, and then screw in the two original fasteners to the bottom. So that's what I did here, where these are the two new fasteners, and then these two fasteners here were the ones that I unscrewed from the Skierg originally. So next you're gonna grab 4 screws and 4 fasteners, and we're gonna place 2 of them on each side, or screw 2 of them on each side of the Skierg, so 2 here, and then another 2 that you can see, 1 there, and also 1 there. So the next thing that we're gonna do is that we're gonna grab the bar that's included with the platform box, and you're gonna place the bar behind the Skierg so that it's able to be screwed from down here. And then with that, we're going to screw in a washer down here, as well as a screw there. Next, you're gonna screw this to the back of this, but with it holding the handle like this. So it's gonna require 4 screws, and those screws will look like just like that. So I guess the final thing to do is just make sure everything's tight. So as I'm assembling this, I screwed these 4 in loosely, and then I screwed those 2 screws in where the bars here go down. I screwed those in loosely as well. But once all screws were placed in, now it's time to fasten it.